Hi, Jenny here. I have some leftover fresh cranberries from Thanksgiving, so I'm going to be making a cranberry orange bread. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1/4 cup of butter softened, 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of grated orange peel, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup of orange juice, and then 1 cup of either fresh or frozen cranberries and 1 cup of golden raisins. We will start by mixing up the dry ingredients and setting those aside. So that 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda. We will now beat together our butter and sugar, and then we'll add our egg and orange peel. So I have my butter softening here so for me to be able to tell how much is 1/4 cup. Little hacks. My numbers on here have kind of worn off over the years. So if you just take your stick of butter and it has all the markings on there of what equals what. So 4 teaspoons equals 1/4 cup. So I'm just going to measure this up against here and take out what's about 4 teaspoons. Looks like I've got about 5 here. And mix that up. Sure I will. A cup's worth. Nope, gotta open another one. I'll be right back. It's all nice and fine. I'm gonna scrape that down. I've got some butter on here. I haven't been able to find orange peel in like the spice containers, the spice area, for a while now. I've looked because I had a cranberry orange cookie recipe that I really love to do. And I use the orange peel, and I haven't found it in the store. So we're just going to use regular orange and a zester and try to get 1 teaspoon out of this. We will now add our 3/4 cup of orange juice, and then we'll slowly add our flour mixture. We are now going to fold in our 1 cup of raisins and 1 cup of cranberries. They do say to chop the cranberries in half though if they are fresh, so we'll do that. These are the bigger ones, right? Woo! Whee! Ha! Shall we see if one hits the floor? Yeah. Oh no, did I look in the middle of a cranberry? I've never looked. It's got little holes in there. Looks like there were some seeds. And that's where the seeds go. Cute! Add our 1 cup of raisins. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Spray a loaf pan and put your batter in. Into the 350 degree oven for 1 hour, and then we'll insert a toothpick and make sure that it's all done. Alright, this has cooled down a little bit. We'll take it out and cut it up. Alright, the bread is finished baking and it has cooled. It's just slightly warm, which obviously is perfect for eating. So I'm going to leave the recipe for this down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever had cranberry orange bread before, or what you like to do with your leftover cranberries. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Ooh. I got that hint of orange in there. It's just the right amount of sweetness. Perfect. Take 3. I gotta plan this better. So I'm going to be making a cranberry orange bread. Let's get started. Right. Yes.